Boom, hi guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Pandu from TechDude. Today, technically, I was searching for studio lights on Amazon and 800 rupees to 1000 rupees. Then I have realized that studio lights are pretty expensive. They cost you around 6,000 to 15,000 rupees. A proper studio light will cost you around 6,000 to 18,000 rupees. But I was finding some basic jugaad. Then I've got this ring light from Digitech where you can see, and first thing, here we go. Oh fuck, this is how Amazon packed it without an external cover case. Just they have placed one sticker from Amazon own box and they have inserted barcode as you can see. And now let us roll the intro.
Hold me close till I get up. Time is barely on our side. I don't wanna waste what's left.
Talking about the Digitech LED ring light 18RT, it is a model number, and it backside here you can see it comes with a ring light and a remote to control the lighting adjustment. As you can see here on the front, here you can see Digitech branding, LED ring light, and model number DRL 18RT, dual color temperature, no shadow aperture, stepless adjustment, and of light intensity. It gives up to 60 watt power output, and the color temperatures are around 3200 K to 5000 minus 6000 5600 K. I'm sorry, illumination 5400 lm lux, and that's it. Here you can see behind there are some of the description about the lighting, as you can see, and they have clearly mentioned about the remote, as here you can see. Sorry, I'm out of the frame. Yeah, oh my god, why this LED sucks. I'm sorry. You can see about the remote, power on, power off, increasing power, decreasing power, and 50% white and 5% yellow power adjustable, 50% yellow, 50% white full, and there are some of the CT plus and CT minus, some of the options. And now let us unbox it. Currently this is how the package they gave from Amazon. There is no seal, nothing, and this is my, I guess, third Digitech product, as you can see. And I know the packaging is pretty worse from Amazon, and Amazon, keep it in mind, don't repeat this next time. And there you go, you find nice black color cover inside so that you can protect your ring light. Oh my god, there you can see, this is the back where you can see ring light, and there is nothing in the box except the black back. And the black back quality is pretty good, as per this is how it looks, and the back quality is pretty good, and this is how you can remove the ring light. There you go. And the package is pretty amazing, as you can see. Here is a light, and oh my god, this is how the light looks. Can you believe it? I have smaller version of it. Let me show it to you. This is a smaller version. There you go. This is amazing, to be honest. Let's keep this aside. And on behind here you can see there are two USB ports and one AC adapter and a switch, and the build quality is completely plastic, and you need two USB to light it up, and the plastic quality is pretty good. And then here you can see currently I'm using this light, and this is an floodlight which is used in function. I'm using with this, what is, you can say this is an a stick file foil, and this is how I'm using this is how my lighting setup works. And another compartment here, you will get a polythene cover, and with this polythene cover this polythene cover is so mess. Here you can see you will find a remote, and I guess there are no batteries in it. Yeah, there are no batteries in it. You can fit I guess AAA batteries in it. It requires two AAA batteries. And here you can find a phone holder, and there is an 2-pin plug, as you can see here. And there are some, this used to hold the ring light. And here you can see there is another screw, and there is an instruction manual for this ring light. And here you can see you have to use this thing here and just screw it tightly with the help of your hands. So this is how it fits at the bottom of the ring light. Why my camera is unable to focus? Fuck. Yeah, this is how it fits. And next, keep it at a side. Now here you can see there are extensions right here where you can mount 3 to 4 things, and I'm just mounting the phone holder. As you can see, just place it and rotate it. Now this is how it looks after. Wait a minute, let me adjust this. It looks here you can see there is a phone holder, and this is an extension. And now you have to just connect the 2-pin adapter behind, and I will show it to you. Connect it right here. And now there you go. This is how it looks. Oh my god. And you can turn this thing off like this. Off, off, on, off. Increase the brightness, decrease the brightness, increase the brightness, change the color, white. Now we can turn this thing into completely yellow and increase the brightness. and auxiliary. There you go. Now this is how my setup looks with this light, as you can see. And let me give a outro using this light. And that's it for this video, guys. And the final conclusion is that you have limited budget and you need a light, definitely go for this. Now currently I'm using the light, as here you can see this is how it feels while using this light. And if you have limited budget and you need a studio light, definitely go for it. And if you are new to this channel, drop a like, drop a comment, and subscribe my channel Tech Dude. And Digitech, if you are seeing this, please sponsor me, okay?
Fill me out with your smile.